Today we're making Indian Easter egg masala fried rice. It serves 4 people and takes about 30 minutes from start to finish. Let's get cooking. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 4 cups of cooked basmati rice, chilled for the best sauté. 4 large eggs for rich, soft curds. 2 tablespoons of ghee for authentic aroma and sautéing. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced, for sweetness and depth. 1 small carrot, diced, for color and crunch. 1/2 cup of green peas, for a sweet pop. 1 small green bell pepper, diced, for freshness. 2 green chilies, finely chopped, for heat. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for bold aroma. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to sizzle in the ghee. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color. 1 teaspoon of garam masala to finish with warmth. 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for mild heat and color. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, divided for eggs and finishing. 1 and 1/2 teaspoons of kosher salt, divided. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro for a fresh finish. 2 tablespoons sliced scallions for brightness. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, to lift the flavors. 1/4 cup cashew halves for buttery crunch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Crack 4 large eggs into a bowl and whisk with 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper until smooth. Heat a large wok or wide skillet over medium-high and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Pour in the eggs and scramble gently for 1 to 2 minutes until just set, then move the soft curds to a plate. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon ghee, then 1/4 cup cashew halves. Sauté 1 to 2 minutes until golden. Scoop them out and set aside. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds to the hot ghee and let them sizzle for about 20 seconds. Add 1 medium sliced onion and 2 chopped green chilies. Sauté 3 to 4 minutes until the onion edges turn golden. Stir in 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and cook 30 to 45 seconds until fragrant. Add 1 small diced carrot and 1/2 cup green peas. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add 1 small diced green bell pepper and sauté 1 minute to keep it crisp. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Toss for 30 seconds to bloom the spices. Add 4 cups of chilled cooked basmati rice. Break up any clumps and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until hot and lightly toasted. Return the scrambled eggs. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon lemon juice and toss to combine evenly. Add the fried cashews and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Fold gently. Turn off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and 2 tablespoons sliced scallions. Let the rice rest for 1 minute, then mound it in a shallow bowl, shaping it like a festive Easter nest. Serve hot. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Easter rice, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next recipe.